All right, let's get into it. There's a new AI tool from Google that has become a total viral sensation, and it has a name you probably weren't expecting: Nano Banana. So today, we're going to peel back the layers on what this thing is, how you can actually use it, and why it's a much bigger deal than it sounds. But first, I've got a question for you. What do you think is the world's most popular banana? Just take a second. Got an answer in your head? Well, here's a little hint. It's not the kind you'd find in your fruit bowl. Nope, we're talking about something else entirely. The answer is Google's Nano Banana. Yeah. Since it launched, people have created over 5 billion images with this tool. I mean, that number is it's wild. It just shows you how fast this thing has taken off. So, what exactly is this tool that pretty much blew up overnight? Let's break it down. Okay, so Nano Banana is actually the fun, super memorable nickname for Google DeepMind's new model. The official, much more technical name is Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. It first showed up in the Gemini app, and it lets you generate and edit images with incredible freedom just by describing what you want. And because it was such a massive success, Google isn't just keeping Nano Banana in one app. Now, they're starting to build it directly into the products that a lot of us use every single day. This really powerful AI is becoming way more accessible. You can now find it in Google Search through Lens. It's giving a major upgrade to the research tool Notebook LM. And get this, it's set to arrive in Google Photos very, very soon. So let's start with the one you can probably try right now, using Nano Banana inside Google Search. It all works through an update to Google Lens. And here's how simple it is. You just open up Lens inside the Google app, tap on the new Create mode. It's got a little banana icon, of course. And from there, you can either pick a suggested prompt, or you can snap a photo of literally anything and just type out the changes you want to see. You can even keep talking to it with follow-up prompts to get it just right. You know, Google gives a perfect, kind of funny example for this. They say you can use it to see what a Halloween costume might look like on your dog. You get to see the idea instantly, and your dog gets to skip the whole drama of a fitting room. It's a total win-win. Just a quick heads up on availability. This new feature in Google Lens is currently rolling out in English for folks in the US and India. But Google says more countries and languages are on the way. All right, next up, let's look at how this same tech is being used in a completely different app, Notebook LM. Now, this is Google's AI-powered tool for research and writing, and Nano Banana is giving it a huge creative boost. So, a key feature in Notebook LM is that it can make video summaries of your documents, but now with Nano Banana built in, it's not just summarizing, it's actually creating these really helpful, beautiful illustrations that go along with the narration, which helps you understand and remember stuff way better. And you now have two formats to pick from. You can get a detailed, comprehensive explainer video if you really want to do a deep dive, or you can go for the new brief format, which is a shorter, bite-sized video made to help you get the main ideas super quickly. And this is where it gets really fun. Nano Banana brings 6 totally different artistic styles to these videos. You can have your notes turned into a watercolor painting, a cool papercraft world, or even an anime-style explanation. It's all about making your information way more engaging. Someone described this feature perfectly. They called it Khan Academy-like videos with an AI twist. And that just nails it, right? It's about creating these personalized visual explainers for any topic you're studying, made right from your own notes. So, okay, dressing up your dog in a virtual costume, turning your notes into an anime video, it's all super fun, but there is a much bigger strategic picture to what Google is doing here. This is more than just a cool feature. The most important thing to get here is that we're seeing a massive shift. AI is moving away from being some separate website you have to go to. Instead, it's becoming a seamless creative layer that just exists right inside the apps you already know and use. The whole idea is to make AI easier to use by upgrading your habits, not forcing you to learn new ones. And, as industry experts at Search Engine Land are pointing out, this isn't just about cool tech, it's a core business strategy. When these useful and fun AI features are built right into the tools you already use, you're way more likely to stick around. And that loyalty, that's the real prize. And let's be real, they need that prize. The AI and search space is so competitive right now, with huge players like OpenAI, Microsoft, and Perplexity all fighting for our attention. By weaving Nano Banana into its whole ecosystem, from search to photos, Google is making its products stickier, making it so convenient that you just don't have a reason to go anywhere else. So what's just around the corner? Well, Google has already confirmed that Nano Banana's creative editing powers will be coming to Google Photos in the next few weeks. That's going to be another huge integration, tightening that ecosystem even more. All of this really points to a future where AI isn't just a simple tool, but more of a creative co-pilot, which leaves us with one final thought. As these tools become a totally seamless part of your digital life, what are you going to be inspired to make first?